Okay, driving time. Driving time. Oopsie. My bad. Wow.
Oh no.
We need the bigger space, mommy.
Yeah. Woo.
Oh.
Wow.
Oh. I am such a bad driver. Oh. You know what, mommy?
What?
We need to go to the park.
Okay.
We have a small space here for the car, for the RC car. Let's go to the park.
Alright, let's go.
Okay, brush your hair.
My one.
Maya, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, drive it, Maya. Nice, huh, Maya? Maya is a good driver. Stay in the basketball court, Maya. Ah! The car is chasing you. Just the right speed. Not too slow, not too fast. Right, Maya? Not off-road, Maya. It's not an off-road car. Maya is a good driver. Zigzagging. Hey, Mami Rhea, look at you. And your big belly, big bump. What do you call it? Or how do you call it?
Belly bump.
Belly bump. How many months now?
4.5.
4.5 months?
Yep.
Okay. Okay, Mommy, drive the Ferrari. Oh wait, start the engine, Mommy. Press the red button. There you go. Go! Super fast? Nah, it's okay. Not that fast. But yeah, okay. If you say so. Going in circles. Maya, where are you, Maya? Hi, surprise! You surprised me! Wow! Hey, Maya, that's a beautiful RC car. Woo! A Mickey Mouse Roadster RC! And Snoopy! Switch it on. Okay, new bright RC, Laferrari. A sport car RC. Woohoo! Snoopy and Mickey Mouse. Who is faster? Snoopy or Mickey Mouse? Woo! Hey! Hey, Buchito baby boy!
Buchito!
Marksland baby boy, good afternoon! Maya and Buchito baby boy Marksland! Snoopy and Mickey Mouse! Are they racing? No? Just bumping around?
Just like a baby?
Hey, can I try? Can I try Mickey Mouse? Can I try it? Thank you.
I'll do this one.
Oh, you will be Snoopy? Okay, I will be Mickey Mouse. Spinning 360 donut! 360 spin! Oh, here, Marksland. Okay, okay, it's yours. Okay, okay. What? What? What do you want?
Police?
What? Which one? Okay, give it to Marksland, the small one.
Okay.
Okay?
No.
Yeah, he likes it.
Okay.
Okay, it's yours, Marksland. See, it's a police car. Press the buttons, Maya. Siren alarm. He likes it.
You don't like that one, I'll take this one.
Marksland likes toy cars.
I like this one.
Oh, yeah. Another police car? Yeah.
Or bigger. Okay, what do you do? Here? Yours.
So, which one, Marksland? You like this one? The bigger one? Huh? But we are going to unbox the Ferrari, Marksland. Laferrari, new bright RC. Let's try it, folks.
I think you like the horror more better. How to do that? How to do that?
I pressed the button.
Here.
The red buttons. Nice, hey? Interceptor. Okay, the right button. Laferrari. My new bright RC. It's a full function RC, folks. All batteries included. Nice.
My reindeer.
Where's the reindeer? Where? Oh, okay. There's the reindeer. Maya, okay. Let's unbox this, Maya.
And there's a train one.
You want to unbox it, Marksland? We will do it tomorrow, okay? Or later. Okay? But first, let's unbox the Laferrari! Spinning, spinning. Oh! Snoopy fell on his side. Maya, stand Snoopy. Stand him up. Okay, whatever. Maya, help me out, please. Pull the box or the styrofoam. Pull it out. Can you? Can you do it? You can do it, Maya. You're my assistant. You're my assistant.
It's so hard.
Okay, I'll do it. I will do it. Okay, Maya, go. There you go. It's a nice looking RC car, that's for sure. Yeah. Marksland is so excited to play it. Wow. Okay. A 9.6 volt lithium-ion battery. And there's the joystick or the controller. And the charger. Instructions.
There's a mirror.
There's a mirror?
Two.
Yeah, it's nice, huh? It's a design, Maya.
Yeah, just keep it.
Huh? You want to keep it? The styrofoam?
Your right chair.
Okay, okay. Keep it.
Is it strong enough?
Huh?
Is it strong enough?
I don't think so, Maya. But you try. You want to use it as a chair? Okay. If you say so, if you want to. Maya girl. Huh? What? Lollipop? Silly Maya girl. That's not a lollipop. Markslen really wants to unbox it.
I'm the real Marson.
You are not Markslen. You are Maya. Silly girl.
I'm the real
Markslen, look oh. Huh? What is that reindeer doing on the top of the Ferrari? That is so silly. Alright. So, the joystick. 2 AA batteries for the joystick. The lithium-ion battery. The charger and the car itself. Laferrari. It's a nice looking RC car. Don't you agree, Maya? Huh? What's her name?
Reindeer.
Huh?
Reindeer.
Reindeer?
Yeah.
But what's her name? Heidi? What? Heidi. Okay, Heidi the reindeer. Her name is Heidi. But where is Rudolph? Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer. Where is he? Hiding? Where?
I did that. Just this one.
Oh, okay. Alright. Woo! Okay, the batteries are installed. Huh?
Tiny.
Oh, okay. Now her name is Tiny?
Yeah.
Not Heidi anymore?
No, the lobster's name Heidi.
Okay. Alright.
Like that.
Markslen, I need that. I need that battery. Give it to me. Give it to me.
Give it, Patito.
Give it. Thank you. Thank you, my boy. Thank you.
Tiny and Chuty, good boy.
Okay, now it's time to install the ion battery, the lithium-ion battery.
Patito likes the police car very much.
Yeah, he likes it.
But how come?
Because he's a boy.
I know, because you want to be a police.
You want to become a policeman someday, Markslen? Huh?
No. He's right.
Not you, huh? What are you going to be when you grow up?
Patito will be, nothing. You'll see my police car, that's it.
Okay. How about you? What are you going to be when you grow up?
Nothing.
A Hollywood actress?
I do all of it.
Or maybe a doctor?
I know.
Or a lawyer?
No. I'll play.
Or maybe an architect? Huh.
I'll get toys.
You will be a toy unboxer? Like mommy?
No, just big toys.
Or maybe a filmmaker like daddy?
No, you have to get toys, that's it.
All you want to do is to play with toys?
Yeah.
That's not a bad thing. It's fun, right? He really likes it, Maya. Look at him. Yeah.
I like him.
Ooh, cuddle, cuddle.
I like him.
Hey, Maya, what happened to your face? How come you have a scratch on your face? Hulyan? Why? What happened?
His feet got short.
You got hit by Hulyan's feet? Or foot?
Yeah.
Ah.
Smash!
The Hulk! Yeah. Okay, let's put the battery. Huh?
This is like right.
Yeah. Wow, it looks so nice, Maya. Whoa! It lights up. Cool. Oh, what, Markslen? Look, Markslen, oh. It's a nice looking RC car. It's not a puppy, it's a reindeer. The kid reindeer. There are signal lights. Oh! And there are flashers too. There are signal lights. Cool. It is fast, huh?
Can't even control it.
I like the sound effects and the lights too.
That's our park, Daddy.
My phone is ringing. You like it, Markson?
I'm scared.
It's okay. Maya will not hit you. Maya will not hit you. Markson gets scared.
Guess what Charles for? Huh?
What, Markson? It's okay. You're good.
Okay, what's that?
You won't get hit by the car. Nice. We need the bigger space, Maya. We need to go to the park. It's okay, Markslin. You're good.
Okay, okay.
The car will not hit you.
No, it's not.
Go, Maya. Yeah.
I cannot open this.
Let's go to the park, Maya.
But this too, why can't there's all the kids in the park?
No, let's go to the basketball court.
But I think there's so
There are no kids there. You can drive it there. Okay, I'm going to drive it.
That makes me scared. How nice reindeer.
This is fast, Maya.
But my
You don't like it? Why?
it's too fast.
Because it's too fast for you? I like it. I like fast cars.
My too fast.
Nice.
My shoe deep.
Nice.
Daddy, put that right on.
Look,
What do you do?
signal light or flasher. Flasher. Nice. This is so cool. It's outside, Maya, I think. Nice. What, Markslin? You do really want to unbox it, huh? Okay, give me the scissors. Give me the scissors. Okay, give it to me. I'm going to unbox it. Give it to me. I'm going to unbox it for you. Okay, NYPD. NYPD police car. Cool. Yeah, I'm going to unbox it. Official licensed product. Okay. NYPD Mighty Police Light and Sound. Okay. Okay, I'm going to unbox it now. Okay, pull it out, Markslin. Pull it out of the box. Go, pull it. There you go. Thank you, Markslin. Okay, let me put down my camera, boy. Okay? Okay, Markslin, there you go. It's all yours. Yay! Markslin's new police toy car. Yeah. Put it on the floor, Markslen. Yeah. It's nice. NYPD blue police car. Mighty police. Yeah. It has 4 wheels. Look, this is how you play it. Okay? And beep 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 beep. Maxlen, here. All yours. Yeah. Beep 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 beep. Yeah. Put it on the floor, boy. 4818. Number 4818. Okay. Here's how you play it, Markslen. Nice. This is nice, Markslen. To protect and serve. NYPD Blue. That's a reindeer, Markslen. Yeah, it's a reindeer. You like it? It's cute, huh? Yeah. Give it to Ate Maya. Give it to Maya. That's hers. Markslen. Give it to Maya. That's hers. You stand up. Stand up and walk. Go, stand up. Maya girl. Maya, get your reindeer. Go. Go, get your reindeer.
Oh, okay.
Okay, bring it to your room. Bye, Markslen. Bye, Maya. Chase the bad guys. Catch the bad guys. Chase the bad guys. Catch them. Nice. Hey boy, I have a surprise for you.
I want to be Godzilla toy.
Why are you cranky?
Because I want Godzilla toy.
You want a Godzilla toy?
Yeah, because there's a floor going jumping here online and I want it now.
Okay, stay there. I'm going to get it. I have a surprise for you. I'm going to get my surprise, okay? Hey, don't stop being cranky. Stop getting cranky. Okay, I'm going to get my surprise now. Are you ready to see your surprise?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, I'm going to count 1 to 3. 1, 2, surprise!
Yeah.
Surprise! Are you happy?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
He is happy. He's a happy kid. Open it, unwrap it. What's his name again?
Mecha Godzilla.
Mecha Godzilla. Why is it called Mecha Godzilla?
Because there's somebody controlling it inside.
Oh, someone is controlling it inside?
Yeah.
You mean a person?
Yeah.
Wow.
Because it's a mecha kind.
So it's a robot?
Yeah.
So it's not a real Godzilla then? It's a robot.
Just need to try to get it out. I got the head out. Is it the same size as the other ones? The other Godzilla?
I think so.
Sure?
I think so. Get them.
Okay.
Okay, give it to me. I'm going to unwrap it. Give it to me. Mecha Godzilla. Okay, Mecha Godzilla is unwrapped.
And Mecha Godzilla has finger missiles.
Finger muscles.
No, finger missiles.
Oh, okay. Whatever
And
that
he
is,
goes, right?
it sounds
He
cool.
goes like this and he goes like
Oh,
goes like that.
does it fire laser?
Yeah. And when it goes flying, it shoots lasers out
It
of
flies?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
And if it flies, it shoots lasers out of its eyes too.
I see.
Yeah.
So which one is stronger? That robot thing or the real Godzilla?
The real Godzilla? I think the original one, because they said the original one never gets defeated.
Okay, the original Godzilla is stronger. Is that the strongest monster?
Yeah, because he's the king of the monsters.
Godzilla is the king of the monsters?
Yeah.
Cool. Hey, let's cut that tag, Hulyan.
Okay.
What does it say
It
on the
says-
tag?
It says Chinese or Japanese things.
It's Japanese words. Because you know Godzilla is from Japan. You know that, right?
Yeah.
So Hulyan, can you move the head?
Yeah. All the way, see?
Oh yeah, 360 spin.
Because-
How about the arms?
The arms?
Can you move the arms?
Yeah.
Cool. And the legs? Can you move the legs?
Yeah.
Yes, you
The
can.
tail? No, I can't.
You cannot move the tail?
Yeah, only in the big one.
Oh,
And
okay.
the original one.
Okay, Mecha Godzilla. Okay, enjoy, Hulyan.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Flying mode.
Flying mode.
Yeah, flying mode.